I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're using a Koodo Prepaid eSIM and need to check your balance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check number. Open your phone's dialer and enter *611. This is the direct line to Koodo's customer service. Step 2. Follow the voice prompts. Once connected, listen carefully to the automated voice prompts. Select the option for balance inquiries. Step 3. Check your balance display. After selecting the balance inquiry option, your current balance will be read aloud to you. Make sure to note it down if needed. Step 4. Use the Koodo app. Before activation, use the *com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Set up notifications. To avoid checking manually, set up balance notifications in the app. This way, you will receive alerts when your balance is low. Remember, if you're ever unsure about your balance, you can always reach out to Koodo customer support for assistance. Happy checking!